Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make an easy milkshake at home without a blender. First, gather your simple ingredients. About 1 cup of your favorite ice cream, 1/2 cup of milk, and any flavorings you desire. Make sure your ice cream is slightly softened, which helps immensely with mixing. Then, select a strong container with a secure lid, like a mason jar, to begin our delicious journey. Now, let's get shaking. Pour your softened ice cream, milk, and any syrups or extracts into your chosen container. Make absolutely certain the lid is fastened very tightly to avoid any unexpected splashes. Then, shake the container with enthusiasm for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. This vigorous motion will break down the ice cream and thoroughly combine all the ingredients, creating a wonderfully smooth and creamy milkshake. Should you not have a container with a lid, fear not. You can still achieve a fantastic milkshake using a bowl and a whisk or even a sturdy fork. Simply combine your ingredients in a medium-sized bowl. Then, stir them together very vigorously for several minutes. Use your whisk or fork to actively break apart any larger pieces of ice cream, ensuring a consistently smooth and delightful texture throughout your homemade treat. Finally, it is time to customize and enjoy your delicious, blender-free milkshake. Feel free to add your favorite toppings, such as a generous dollop of whipped cream, colorful sprinkles, or a drizzle of chocolate syrup. Do not hesitate to experiment with various ice cream flavors and mix-ins to discover new favorites. Serve your perfectly crafted milkshake immediately in a tall glass to savor its creamy goodness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.